That's a fair bit of bunghole in the bunghole, Andy.
Fuck yeah.
How long have you been driving this truck?
Just over a week.
What was it like when you got it?
Oh, fuck me. Well, I've already taken about 40 kilos off already.
So this is after 40 kilos?
Yeah.
40 kilos from here.
Oh yeah, she was right back here.
So what's your plan of attack? How are you going to clean it, you reckon? What are you going to use?
If they don't give me a new truck in a week, I'm leaving.
What if you're not getting a new truck? This is yours and you own it. Are you going to put acid on it?
Nah, because I've got cables here. I'm just going to be careful knocking these. Because of the cables.
Just look how thick that is. How many kilometers has this truck done?
250,000.
250,000.
250,000.
About 110,000 miles. This is what happens when you don't clean your truck. Andy has just inherited this truck. He's got a big job to do. This is what you pulled this out today, did you? You just pulled this out today.
Yeah, just now.